Previously on Choices.
Because everything when we do with the skin freak up on that.
You need to stop this. This is harassment.
Passion. Not even passion in here, no.
However, bad now man up, so we have a couple million to dump and she have to cook up for you.
Move on, you know. Pilot.
Girl,
Move on.
trust me. You have something up your sleeve.
Really? One night last night the phone already. Man.
Link Mojo Herb up at the studio, you see me? Because Mojo Herb must know what going on because the man in the street.
He have something up his sleeve, but me go get to the bottom of it. Look here.
No, my brother stay. You overprotective.
Hitman make it for deal with it. Good, everything alright, everything well sealed up. Can't wait to get me
back. Thing come back the same. It's not looking good for you.
I say from what dear brother the meds dep on me head and me I say yo God, I want to line up the thing them and circle the board them in a brother cause me eyes dep on them in a daddy.
You need to check your circle.
Check my circle? What that supposed to mean? You ever sorry about this, yeah?
Fight for your right. Always listen now. Fight for your right. Always buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. 'Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. 'Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to use, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fight. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite.
Yeah, Kush. When you see that last night, you go bleach man girl. Passion man. Man, you don't know what to do. Nobody girl says you want money. You can't quench man. You turn around and try to find the girl and I tell you. It's like the girl want to damage my life, brother. $50,000. What do you have to forget that? Look at this girl there. You see the girl want to do something to my life. You know that me see man, me go bleach for her last night. You see her out there. She work at the club. No, Steph not there. She don't come in yet. And I wait for her to come. But try to... I'm not even know what to do right now. Somebody get stabbed again? Again? No, dog. Stab the thing and get out of hand. Yo. Try to see if you can link up the girl from my you. Push. I have to find a girl among you. I don't have this money to pay the girl. What the hell if you get $50,000 from to get this girl? You know that the girl says you want? Go like you not even hear what I say, brother. You talk to points? I feel like I feel pre everybody. I don't want to pre my friend them like that, but I don't know. I'm uncertain right now, brother. I have to go step up home, yeah? Alright.
Good production.
Music, never choose it. Music, never choose it. It choose me, so me have to use it. Do the music, yeah, do the music. Do the music, yeah, do the music. Do the music, yeah, do the music. Music, I love you.
Where you watch me for?
But
But tell us, I don't want to see around them boy there. And most of all, Kush, him is no good.
I have to tell you to stop treat me like me a pitney.
Pitney? I don't treat you like you're a pitney, but from mama gone, I may have to do everything. Everything leave from me. I may have to take care of you. And I don't want to see around nobody who is no good.
Yeah, man, you act like you're a saint when you know say you gun yourself for your living. Where you come tell me about mama for? From mama left, you see she call none away?
Everything I do it for me and you, right? And mama, my love, and I'm not going to make nothing happen to you, right? So I don't want to see around no Kush.
Whatever, just make me be me.
I'm going to allow you make you do what you want to do. You're going to see.
Go on, General. My motive, eh?
I'm there, I'm going easy. Everything good, man.
You look like you don't want the food again and thing, eh?
No, man.
Eh?
You know, sir, right now is a strong, solid soldier. Me, I look fun. Come on the link, brother.
You're mad. You alone can't eat the food. You talk about soldier. Come like the whole nigga you want back here, bro.
Brother, so you rush the thing, so. Brother, I say everything locked, bad, man. Everything good.
Anything you say, man, we link up.
All right,
you know the thing.
Just link me, man. Everything good.
All right.
Boom. Forward, you man. Yeah, I did it.
I'm there on the road, as you can see.
Yeah, no, daddy. I know, you know, sir. I have one thing for dealing with it. I know, sir. I tell you how much time, sir, the last thing, you know, but brother, John,
You left all the way from down at Chuku come to my workplace to come and shop my work.
brother, hear me, sir, man. Right now, I need the strength, Lord.
Push. Me tell you something, done with them sitting here. Me done with them sitting here. Mark it down 10 the last time. Me tell you say the last one that, you know. Me have finished school and that's where me focus there. Me don't have nothing more for do with them things there. So you get that in your thick skull.
Yeah, man. Talk about school, brother. You want to finish school for turn a liar? I'm a liar in Jamaica right now. Yeah, me I say, brother, man. If you're not help me, just tell me right now. Where say you deal with the thing for me?
Stick rock in your ears, Awa. How am I a chat? Gypsy here sitting.
Yeah, sure kind of you. I think I rate all the flex. Yeah, everything good, man. Go and go do your thing, man. Go and go work at gas station. They say you want
clear off and hey.
Sure. Hello? God almighty, man, the battery dead. What kind of salt is this for me, man? Oh, me wants a salt. And no, me can't get that over with the boy up to. Jesus Christ, I'm a one holding for that picture, you know.
So, Kush, is everything good for Tuesday?
Yeah, man, mama, everything good, man. Me have everything locked down, man. Everything there on point.
Make sure say everything good in man.
Yeah, man.
I remember more you do everything.
Yeah.
Just make sure say it go according to plan. Me no want nothing mess up. Me no want you make no changes. Me no want no backtracking on my you. Me no want no slip up none at all. Just make sure say everything govern.
Everything locked, man. Everything locked, man.
Alright, just make sure you know then. If you tell her this again in a Kush,
For real, man.
just make sure say you don't have no slip up in a Kush.
You understand what you say, my general?
Oh.
Yeah, man.
So you see your friend don't want nothing to drink?
No, man, the dog good, man. You see me? Everything good, man.
Yo, just make sure say you deal with the thing in my youth.
Yeah,
just
man.
make sure say you deal with the thing. And I don't want no trace. That me I tell you, you know.
Alright.
Oh.
Everything good, mama, man. I did it.
Just make sure everything good, more everything good 100%.
Yeah, man.
Oh. Baby, what is that in the road? It look like it need help. It's not even moving. Can you find out what it is, please? Oh my God, baby, what is that in the road?
What?
Look, it's not even moving. It looks like it need help. Just go, look,
So
see what's happening.
Where me a figure?
Baby, stop doing that. You're the man. Just go.
Yo, fall. What need it?
Just go look,
I never
please,
seen
baby.
me
Go
can't
look,
take it,
see what's happening.
The reason why me I go because I love you, you know.
Yes, go.
Jesus Christ, they're killer! No, they're killer! They're killer! They're killer! They're the killer! They're killer! They're killer! No! I'm not gonna know! They're killer! They're killer! Why?
You man, you don't know say about KASH, you know. You see me I say on the brand new series Choices Season 2. You understand me I say? So you don't know we're doing this for a good cause for the whole Jamaican thing like that. So if you like what we're doing and you know you watch our movies and you see that you know you want to be a part of it or you want to donate, you can click the link below and donate to our GoFundMe. Like, share and subscribe to our channels and stuff like that, you know. Me being one of the main actors in the movie, it gives me the opportunity to express myself, you know what I'm saying, and show people what can happen in the normal society of Jamaica. So thanks for watching, and you know, I say big up Richard Brown Films, GQ TV, all the actors. And my name is BOOSH KASH. You can find me on YouTube, BOOSH KASH Best Videos, on Instagram, BOOSH KASH 97, on Twitter, it's BOOSH KASH True, and also on Facebook, it's BOOSH KASH. See it? So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Choices Season 2. It's gonna be the bang, BOOSH.
Good production. Music, never choose it. Music, never choose it. It choose me, so me have to use it. Do the music, yeah, we do the music. Do the music, yeah, we do the music. Do the music, yeah, we do the music. Music, I love you. Choose it, and it choose me, so me have to use it. I love you, never choose it, and it choose me, so me have to use it. Music, I mean everything, me listen every kind. Music, make me happy and relax my mind. Music, I mean bonafide, you know if I. Music, every time, not sometime. Music, when I daytime, when I nighttime. Music, make my life last, make my all right. Music, I mean lunchtime, when I lunchtime. Music in my lifetime, music on my lifeline. You listen up, my woman, tell me how much me love music. So from the link, Kira-Bates and Vice, they eat it up. Kira-Bates, Vice, Splash, and Bust, Vice, Splash. I love you, never choose it, and it choose me, so we have to choose it. I love you, never choose it, and it choose me, so we have to use it. Music, just a bubble up, then you cuddle up. My woman just true, we are kiss and hugging up. But in a response music, I'm a love you. She never live for 1 inch and she never live for go. She with me in the morning, when me yawning, cup of tea and breakfast in splashes are king. Give me love, she disarming, splash she calling. Music, everybody know you're my darling. Yeah, listen up, my woman, tell me how much me love music. So some me link, Kira-Bates and Vice, the internet. Kira-Bates, Vice, Splash, and Bust, Vice, Splash. I love you, never choose it, and it choose me, so we have to use it. I love you, never choose it, and it choose me, so we have to use it. I love you, never choose it, and it choose me, so we have to use it. I love you, never choose it, and it choose me, so we have to use it. Do the music, yeah, we do the music. 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 Do the music, yeah, we do the music.